any occasion, but especially babies though.
Especially babies. So it's called Storks of York.
That's right.
Don't get any Storks of York on your fork, doo-doo.
I got it. Hey, Mikey!
Yeah?
Guess what?
What's that, doo-doo?
Guess what?
What, doo-doo?
Guess what?
What, doo-doo?
Guess what?
What, doo-doo?
I think you should put one on your front lawn. You know why?
Why?
Because I think your kittens were just born.
I just got a new pet. His name is Simba. Hey, doo-doo, you know what else they have over here?
What?
Free lollipops over here, doo-doo.
Oh.
Do you want me to bring one? What flavor do you like?
I like all of them.
They have that. They've got all the flavors. Okay, I'll bring you over all of them. All right.
Hey, how many kids here want to win a prize? Put your hands up. Cool. Well, we'll be starting in 30 seconds because Mike is over there looking at those storks, and I think that's a great idea. Yeah. Hey, Mikey.
Yes. Oh, dude, one more thing. You can get a henna tattoo over here.
I was talking to her earlier, and she